looking for a juicy chicken breast recipe? Today, I'm showing you how to make garlic butter chicken breast. That's tender, flavorful, and ready in just 3 steps. Welcome to Weeknight Kitchenary! Press 2 cloves of garlic. Slice 1 bunch of parsley. Gamit ako dito ng cling wrap, plastic wrap, and then 500 grams chicken breast. Balot lang sa cling wrap. At pupukin ito ng meat hammer para magnipis. Buksan ng plastic at baliktarin ang chicken breast. Tapos muli ay lagyan ng plastic at pukpukin para magnipis. Tapos, igisa yung sibuyas at saka yung bawang. Kasi na guys, hindi ko nabiguhan yung onion. Then add chicken broth. Add cooking cream. Seasoned salt and powdered pepper. Then put chicken breast in the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Kapag kumulo na, lagyan ng dried parsley at dried oregano. Haluin ng banayad para magsama ang mga ingredients. Para itakpan ng gawin. Pagkaraan na ng minuto ay buminggitan at pagkarin ang chicken breast. Ito na gamitin ang cup. Lagyan ng 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lagyan ng fresh parsley. Then, lahat. garlic chicken breast recipe is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to Kitchenary, and I'll see you in my next delicious recipe. Bye bye! Love you all!